Welcome to Caliber TTS, the airgun channel that explores the science of shooting. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of rifling and explore the intricate ways it affects the pellet from the moment it begins to be pushed through the barrel to the point it leaves and the effect it has imparted thereafter. The rifling grooves in the barrel of an airgun create a spiral pattern that helps to spin the pellet as it exits the barrel. The spin of the pellet imparts a gyroscopic effect on the pellet, which stabilizes it in flight and improves its accuracy over longer distances. However, rifling affects more than just the spin of the pellet. As the pellet is pushed through the barrel, it makes contact with the rifling grooves. This contact creates friction, which can slow down the pellet slightly and cause it to heat up. The friction between the pellet and the rifling grooves can also create wear and tear on both the pellet and the barrel itself. This wear can have an impact on the accuracy of the airgun over time. The rifling grooves also affect the velocity of the pellet. As the pellet travels through the barrel, it experiences resistance from the rifling grooves. This resistance can slow down the pellet slightly, which means that a pellet fired from a rifled barrel will have a slightly lower velocity than one fired from a smoothbore barrel. Furthermore, the rifling grooves affect the trajectory of the pellet. As the pellet exits the barrel, it continues to spin, which creates a gyroscopic effect that helps to stabilize it in flight. This stability means that the pellet will maintain its trajectory over a longer distance, making it more accurate. After the pellet leaves the barrel, it continues to be affected by the rifling grooves. The spin imparted on the pellet by the rifling grooves will affect how it interacts with the air, which can have an impact on its flight path. This effect is known as the Magnus effect, which causes a spinning object moving through a fluid to experience a sideways force perpendicular to its direction of motion. In conclusion, rifling plays a crucial role in the accuracy and consistency of airguns. It affects the spin, velocity, and trajectory of the pellet, as well as the wear and tear on the barrel and pellet. Understanding how rifling affects your airgun is key to improving your shooting accuracy. Thanks for tuning into Caliber TTS, the airgun channel that explores the science of shooting.